of stuff they got going on, like the international fighters, UFC referees and stuff, because I don't think those American referees. I mean, well, the first one was the first one, but I don't think the rest of them were. So I think they're a little bit more aggressive on that side. I think it's like a natural instinct type thing, but that's still crazy though, James. I mean, and then I think that last one was when the dude was about to kick um, the other dude in the head, and the referee blocked it, and he punched him in the face. Uh,
Yeah,
yeah.
that one too. Like, okay, so a referee is now blocking blows from one fighter to another fighter, and
Mm.
if this does have to do with like maybe rules that they've been in through other like fighting leagues or anything like that, these people need to get trained up and trained on what the rules are and the proper contact would be from referee to fighter.
Yeah, I agree, man. I definitely agree.